story, a pilot accused of trying to shut off the engines of a plane mid-flight headed to San Francisco.
KTVU's Amanda Quintana is near the pilot's home in Pleasant Hill to tell us what we know about him and what happened. Good morning, Amanda.
Good morning, Dave. 44-year-old Joseph Emerson is expected to be in court today at 2 o'clock. He's currently being held without bail in Oregon. He's facing 167 charges. 83 of those charges are for attempted murder. Others are for reckless endangerment. Now, he is accused of trying to seize control of the engines mid-flight. He was seated in the flight deck jump seat and was off duty at the time of this. Alaska Airlines says he tried to turn on the plane's fire suppression system, which would shut down the engines. The flight crew reported a credible security threat as they were on their way to SFO from Everett, Washington, and they had to land in Portland. In recordings from the cockpit, you could hear the captain say the guy who tried to shut the engines down is out of the cockpit, he's in the back and subdued, and he asks for law enforcement when they land. We're told Emerson taught at Concord's Buchanan Field Airport, and he coaches his son's baseball team here in Pleasant Hill. We spoke to some of his neighbors about Emerson, and they describe him as a family man and say what they're hearing in these reports is out of character for him. Some say they hope this was all a misunderstanding.
He's a very good dad, as far as I could tell. And, he's always playing with the kids, always doing things for them, taking them places.
There could be something we don't know yet, something not which can exonerate him, I hope.
As for the 80 passengers, many of them were unaware of what was happening. One woman posting to X saying that a flight attendant came on the speaker to say they needed to make an emergency landing. When they did, she saw police officers come on the plane and take Emerson off in handcuffs. She also said on X that one person there that there was an announcement that there was a, quote, disturbance in the cockpit and a mental breakdown. She didn't really understand what had happened until she later saw it on the news. Those passengers were able to get on a later flight to go to SFO. We are told that the FBI is in control of this investigation. We did have a crew here yesterday. They didn't see any federal officers here at the home trying to investigate. Obviously, it's quiet here now as well. So we are still waiting for that investigation to try to learn anything about a motive. Live in Pleasant Hill, Amanda Quintana, KTVU Fox 2 News.